Alright, we're going to do a little tutorial on how to use the perspective correction in PhotoMatter. So we're going to select our image. We're going to preserve the aspect ratio. We're going to select 4K for this. You can select whatever resolution you want. We don't need to crop this one. So we're just going to go ahead and pull these down to the corner. We want to remove this angle from taking this photo, so we can process it into a PBR texture set. Alright. Once you get it, you can hit apply. And we're going to scroll down. Everything's set. We're going to generate. We don't need to remove background. Alright, it's working on our texture. And it's about finished up. Alright. And you can see on the right side that it preserved our aspect ratio. We can't tell that in the preview because it's going to stretch. It's going to scale our texture no matter what on the preview. But on the right hand side you can see that it respected our aspect ratio, which is great because our asset is going to be that shape. It makes it even easier to put our texture on. So then, here you go, you can see what the texture looks like on a modeled object. And the decal and the other texture was also made in PhotoMatter. And that is how you take a regular photo and turn it into a texture using PhotoMatter. Thanks for watching.